What is the theme of the 12th International Day of Yoga IDY 2026 celebrated on June 21, 2026? Option A, Yoga for One Earth, One Health. Option B, Yoga for Healthy Aging. Option C, Yoga for Mental Wellness. Option D, Yoga for Sustainable Future. Answer. Option B, Yoga for Healthy Aging. The Ministry of Ayush announced Yoga for Healthy Aging as the theme for IDY 2026. This theme addresses one of the most important challenges and opportunity of the present century, focusing on physical health, mental well-being and healthy aging. Where will Prime Minister Narendra Modi lead the main International Day of Yoga 2026 celebration event? Option A, New Delhi Red Fort. Option B, Mumbai Marine Drive. Option C, Kolkata. Option D, Hyderabad. Answer. Option C, Kolkata. Kolkata is hosting the main IDY 2026 celebration event on June 21 with PM Narendra Modi leading the program. The event will spotlight yoga for healthy aging with government beginning a 25-day countdown and expanding public participation tools across India. On which date did the United Nations General Assembly declare June 21 as International Day of Yoga? Option A, September 27, 2014. Option B, December 11, 2014. Option C, June 21, 2015. Option D, January 1, 2015. Answer. Option B, December 11, 2014. On December 11, 2014, the UN General Assembly proclaimed June 21 as International Day of Yoga by Resolution 69/131. The draft resolution was proposed by India and endorsed by a record 175 states, the highest number ever for any UN resolution. Who first proposed the International Day of Yoga at the United Nations General Assembly in September 2014? Option A, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Option B, Narendra Modi. Option C, Manmohan Singh. Option D, Sushma Swaraj. Answer. Option B, Narendra Modi. PM Narendra Modi first proposed the International Day of Yoga during his address at the 69th session of the UN General Assembly on September 27, 2014. He suggested June 21 as the symbolic date, recognizing yoga's universal appeal and holistic health benefits. In which year was the first International Day of Yoga celebrated globally? Option A, 2014. Option B, 2015. Option C, 2016. Option D, 2017. Answer. Option B, 2015. The first International Day of Yoga was celebrated globally on June 21, 2015, starting a global wellness movement. The Union established the day in 2014, but the inaugural celebration occurs in 2015. with outdoor events marking the holistic benefit of ancient Indian yoga practice. What is the name of the initiative launched by Minister of Ayush promoting Delhi yoga practice throughout the year? Option A, Yoga 100. Option B, Yoga 365. Option C, Yoga Forever. Option D, Delhi Yoga India. Answer. Option B, Yoga 365. The Ministry of Ayush launched Yoga 365 initiative promoting Delhi yoga practice throughout the year rather than only on June 21. The initiative is linked with the IDY 2026 theme Yoga for Healthy Aging. What Guinness World Record attempt is being organized for Yoga Day 2026 on June 14, 2026? Option A, longest yoga session duration. Option B, largest simultaneous online yoga participation. Option C, highest number of yoga poses performed. Option D, largest yoga blanket creation. Answer. Option B, largest simultaneous online yoga participation. A Guinness World Record attempt is organized for the largest simultaneous participation in an online yoga session through Ministry of Ayush YouTube platform on June 14, 2026 from 6:15 am to 7:35 am. What is the name of the portal launched on May 27, 2026, enabling organizations to register and organize Yoga Sangam event on June 21, 2026? Option A, Yoga Portal 2026. Option B, Yoga Sangam Portal 2026. Option C, Ayush Yoga Portal. Option D, IDY Registration Portal. Answer. Option B, Yoga Sangam Portal 2026. The Yoga Sangam Portal 2026 was launched on May 27, 2026, enabling organization, educational institution, government departments and community groups to register and organize Yoga Sangam events alongside PM Modi's flagship. Which ministry is the nodal agency for organizing International Day of Yoga celebrations in India? Option A, Ministry of Health. Option B, Ministry of Ayush. Option C, Ministry of Culture. Option D, Ministry of Sports. Answer. Option B, Ministry of Ayush. The Ministry of Ayush nodal agency hosting all IDY celebrations in India, including the 2026 Certain Razor event. The ministry organizes nationwide activities promoting holistic health, wellness, harmony, and has launched multiple initiatives like Yoga 365 and 10 yoga protocols. Why was June 21 specially chosen as the date for International Day of Yoga? Option A, it's India's national day. Option B, it's summer longest day. Option C, it's Lord Buddha's birthday. Option D, it's the state of monsoon season. Answer. Option B is the longest summer day. PM Narendra Modi suggested June 21 as the date because it's summer longest day of the year in northern hemisphere. This symbolic day represents the transition from darkness to light, aligning with yoga's philosophy of spiritual awakening and holistic well-being. Where did yoga originally originate? As an ancient physical, mental, and spiritual practice? Option A China, option B Tibet, option C India, option D Greece. Answer option C India. Yoga is an ancient physical, mental, and spiritual practice that originated in India thousands of years ago. From India's cultural heritage, yoga has evolved into a global mass movement uniting people across countries and generations for wealth, wellness, and holistic well being.